Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with Nero Image Upscaler. To initiate the process, please commence by launching your preferred web browser on your computer. Once your browser is up and running, proceed to the address bar, which is typically located at the top of your browser window. In this address bar, meticulously type the following ai.nero.com. After ensuring that the URL is accurately entered, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will seamlessly transport you to the official Nero Image Upscaler website. After you have successfully navigated to the Nero Image Upscaler homepage, take a moment to scan the page for the login option. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on this option to initiate the login process and gain access to the platform's powerful image enhancement capabilities. This simple yet crucial step will pave the way for you to explore a world of image upscaling and enhancement possibilities, helping you to unlock the full potential of your visual content. In case you don't have an existing account with Nero Image Upscaler, fret not. It's the perfect opportunity to set one up and begin your journey towards enhanced imagery. Locate the Create an Account option. Go ahead and give it a click to kickstart the registration process. On the registration page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong and secure password for your Nero Image Upscaler account. As an integral part of the standard online account creation process, you may encounter checkboxes that require your attention. These checkboxes typically ask you to acknowledge and accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy of the platform. It is absolutely crucial to take a moment to read and comprehend these terms in their entirety before moving forward. By doing so, you not only fulfill your responsibility as a user, but also ensure that you are fully informed about how your data will be handled and the rules governing your usage of the service. These terms and policies often contain valuable information regarding data protection, user rights, and platform guidelines. This prudent step not only protects your interests but also fosters a transparent and trustworthy online environment for all users. So, make it a habit to review and understand these terms thoroughly, empowering yourself with knowledge before you embark on your online journey. Once you have entered your information and accepted the terms, click the Next button to advance to the next step. Now, Image Upscaler will send a verification email to the address you provided. Head to your email account's inbox and locate the email from Nero Image Upscaler. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This will confirm the validity of your email address. Once you have successfully completed the email verification process, you'll be directed to a dedicated website where you may need to furnish additional details. This step is aimed at enhancing your profile and tailoring your user experience. Then, sign in using the account credentials you just established during the registration phase. Once you have logged in, you will you'll likely encounter a set of required fields prompting you to provide specific information. It is essential to carefully complete these fields, ensuring the accuracy and completeness of the details of your submission. After meticulously filling out the required information, simply click on the Next button to progress further into the platform. At this point, you may encounter an option to claim a free PDF. You can choose to do so by clicking Yes or decide to claim it later, depending on your preferences and interest. Click back to sign in for Give if you have claimed the PDF or if you are ready to proceed. After successfully signing in, refresh the web page to ensure all changes take effect. Congratulations! You now have fully functional Nero Image Upscaler account. You can begin using the exceptional image upscaling tools offered by the platform. Fantastic! You have completed the process of creating a Nero Image Upscaler account and are now ready to leverage its image upscaling capabilities. If you are eager to learn how to use these tools effectively, consider subscribing to our channel for future tutorials. For any questions or assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We hope this comprehensive guide has been immensely helpful and we eagerly anticipate your participation in our upcoming tutorials. See you in our next video.